what are you doing?
No.
Okay.
Painting.
Are you painting? Do you like painting?
Painting.
Do you like it?
Painting.
Do you like painting?
Painting.
Paisley
Cornet.
and Courtney
And Daddy.
and Daddy. Okay.
Mate.
And meat.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Daddy's favorite friend.
Is that your favorite friend? Oh, that's so nice. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.